Today we are going to learn the last detailed text. Yeah. Today we are going to learn the last text of class 10 detailed text. For class 10, the name of the topic is School's Goodbye. So before starting the topic, I would like to tell you, if you want to learn more, then just subscribe my channel, click on the subscribe button, share it, and give a like. Press the bell icon on the top and bottom. Okay. School's goodbye. Now you are reading at class 10. You will give a goodbye to school. Next year you will read in college. College there is vast field. You can read arts, science, commerce. You can go for a polytechnic or ITI. Whatever thing, different topics are there. So you should choose your life, choose choice. You might have seen one film, Three Idiots. There, Amir Khan was reading in engineering college. His friends wanted to make a course in drawing, photography, but he was forced to join engineering college. Then you will get the rest in the film. You might have seen it. Meaning is you should make the right choice. What you like, that you should enjoy that. That choice you should pursue in the after the school, in the college. Future education. Education never ends. Full life is education. You learn everything. When you will go to the college, you have a wider scope. But in CBSE schools, they will read in the same school. You have a choice to go to the college. This lesson is written by Lord Eustace Percy. He has given many good advice. This is applicable for day-to-day life in future. So you should just listen. Very simple topic. You are now able to leave school, and before you go, we desire to send you our best wishes for your welfare. You give best wishes for your future, best wishes for examination. So that is why the author is an education minister. He was a former education minister, Lord Eustace Percy. So he is a very good person. Minister of Education in Britain's education minister. We means the school gives a goodbye. Here the writer has written, although you are parting from school in which you have spent so many years, we hope you will not forget it and think that your education is finished. And leave the school, don't think that education is finished. You should not forget it. School friends are best friends. Till now remember, always. You will never get back school life. When you will go to college and in the start a career, then you will remember in old age how sweet memory of school life. That memory you never forget. School friends are very good friends, intimate contacts you have. So never forget the school and your teachers, school teachers. In whatever trade or profession you desire to follow, you will soon find that if you are ambitious to succeed in it, you must continue education. Whatever subject we read, science, arts, commerce, you have to try hard with heart and mind. Success in life is not easily secured. It only comes to those who work hard and continue learning. You have to learn too many things in life. Suppose you are reading in school, then you will go to college. You will read science books, so you have to read some extra books. You have to go to the library and reference books by authors. Now internet is available, you should read everything. Very soon you will require to choose a trade or profession. After completing the college, you will work. That is the aim of your education. You want to work, you want to earn money. That is the trade or profession. What a profession? You might be a teacher, doctor, lawyer, engineer. Choose with the greatest care to avoid as far as you can any occupation that leads nowhere. There are sometimes some occupation which don't like and it leads to nowhere. You should have an aim in life to be doctor, engineer, IS officer, OS. You try for that. Aim rather at work that has in the promise of interesting and happy future. Happy future, you should be happy in future. Many students think that clerical life is better, but you will not enjoy it. And if at first you are forced to take a job that only lasts for a short time, try to get one as soon as possible. If you got any job, then try to change it of your choice. That is to your liking, which job you like. But it is not possible at this time because there is stiff competition. You score very good marks now in class 10, then again in 11, 12, plus 2, plus 3, then only you can get a good job of your choice. You get campus selection, engineering, medical college. Sometimes you have to appear for competitive examination. You start preparing from now, day to day, today itself. You are reading now this text, this vocabulary you should learn by heart and complete all the grammatical exercises. This will help. This grammar portion, vocabulary and text, everything will help in the competitive examination for preparing medical entrance, engineering entrance, whatever you go in after plus 2. This is the foundation of your life. English, foundation of English. This course is called Foundation of English. So you should always learn everything carefully. That is your liking. If any time you are doubt as to choice or you should make, do not hesitate to ask advice of the one of your teachers. If you have a doubt which career you should choose, what you should be in future, then you can take the advice of your experienced teachers. Success in life depends largely on good health. Keep your body fit. You always like to read. You don't want to make exercise. Some students don't like to play game, so you should take part in extracurricular activities. Games, sports, NCC, whatever extracurricular, traveling, working. And by cleanliness, fresh air, regular habits and suitable recreations, make yourself strong to play the game and do it in every sense of the word. You should keep your body fit and take also rest, recreation, hobby and go away from the traffic of city life, urban life. You should inhale free air, oxygen. We had read in topics, last topics, you should get fresh air. You should be free from pollution. You go to the hillside, go to the riverside, go to the seaside, hills, mountain hills, where you can get free oxygen. Avoid anything that will sap your health. Smoking in your ears taunts the body and clouds the brain. Smoking is dangerous. It is already written, smoking kills. But you should always avoid. People do it. Be temperate in all things and beware of drink. It is the deadly enemy of health and self-efficacy. In England, there is very cold. Minister of Great Britain, even then he advises not to drink because drinking is very dangerous. It kills person. So you should always avoid drinking and smoking. Above all, remember that your character is priceless possession. Keep it therefore untarnished. Your character is best. There is one proverb: if health is lost, if wealth is lost, if health is lost, something is lost. If wealth is lost, nothing is lost. If character is lost, everything is lost. So you should be good character. People should believe in you. Be truthful in all things, considerate to everybody, fair to your rivals. You should be truthful in all things. You should consider to everybody, fair to your rivals. Mahatma Gandhi had told, if you can slaps in one side of your mouth, you should show other side. You should forgive the rivals. Kind and helpful to others who are weak and suffering. Help others. And do not be afraid to have courage to stand up for what is good, pure and noble. You should always voice for the good. Stand up for it. Always help others who are weak. Avoid gambling in every form. Gambling is very bad game. You should not do it. It is a mean game, trying to get something for nothing and all somebody's cost. Gambling means very bad. Money, seeking, just like cricket betting, there is betting, they are arrested. Gambling is very bad. Make provision for hard times. You should keep some money for future. After when earn money, you save something for future. In your leisure hours, avoid mere idling. In leisure time, spend leisure time meaningfully, carefully. Read books, help others, go to the temple, pray to God. Fill such hours with interesting hobbies, good books, and with companionship. Association calculated to exercise over you. Influence for good. You should have friends good. Good friends always help. Bad friends you should always avoid. To a large extent, you will know by the company to keep. People will know by your company who are your friends. With a sound mind, sound body, good character. What are the best good qualities? You have a sound mind, sound body, and good character. Courteous manners. These questions will come in examination. Good manners. And loyal to the duties of your nation. You should always be loyal to your nation. and its high ideals. You will by God's grace be a credit to your family. By God's grace, you will be a credit to your family. Everyone will praise you. These are the main qualities to positively come in the examination. What I think: good character 1, number 2, courteous manners, and loyal to the duties of your nation. High ideals. Ideals should be high. By God's grace, good citizen in your whole life is real success. This life will be success. So, next this detailed text is over. We will say goodbye to the detailed text. We will start the non-detailed text. Before that, we will discuss the question answers in the next video. Just subscribe for channel again. I am telling you to see future topics, and WhatsApp me. My number is 9938501329. 9938501329. If any doubt, comment. I will reply positively.